Hi guys, Hugo with Cleaning Depot. I wanted to show you guys the new 375 from Hydramaster, and I'm going to tell you what I like about this unit. The 375 has a 23 horsepower engine, size 4 blower, and here's something that I really like. If you can go in here where the heat exchanger is, you'll see that they've upgraded it to a stainless steel heat exchanger, and it's going to allow this unit to go all the way up to 2000 psi. So 2000 psi, 4 blower, 23 horse. To me, it's the perfect mid-size truck mount. So you can also put it on the famous 70-gallon belly tanks, and I personally would order it with the 100-gallon waste tanks. You don't want the smaller waste tank, and when I used to clean carpets, you want the larger waste tank so you don't have to keep dumping every few rooms. So there it is, 375. You guys seen it at the experience, and those are the goodies. Check us out, order it with us at Cleaning Depot.